Sozani Zinhlonhlo, Sozani Zalukwazi, Sozani Bantu abahloniphekile. Sakhuluma noMamlambo uSimpisi Mnandi ugawule esizweni olutsha bamhlanje. Guys, please siyacela eMzansi. Ngicela ukuthi i-government, iParliament, ngicela ukuthi i-discuss le ndaba engiyikhulumayo. I'm the one who bring the message. Ngithi mina, there must be a certain amount whereby ama-foreigners azobhadalela ukuthi i-passport is not valid, i-passport expirile, i-aslam ayivuselelwanga. Then kunokuthi nina nikhiphe amasotsha, nikhiphe amaphoyisa ukuthi nibaxoshe ezweni lethu. Guys, sizolamba. Yekelani ukuba umgabe. Hawu, umgabe last bekathe abelungu abafuna eZimbabwe. All of a sudden eZimbabwe sekunabelungu. Understand? Uvukile, apparently uvukile umgabe wavusa ibhoko noma kwavuka yena watshela abantu baseZimbabwe ukuthi hey, phela ngilalanga kahle nasemathuneni ngiyaguquguquka, okhokho nami bangilalisanga kamnandi, bathi abelungu baletheni ngokuphazima kweso. So manje uRamaphosa ne-state no-government, uRamaphosa makangayenzi kanjalo please. Abantu nabo labo bazweleni, and la makutukutweni ngicela ukuthi angadumi isikhathi eside la. Thina sifuna ukusebenza nizosivalela imali manje. Abobhuti bethu bayahamba ama-Nigeria, our brothers. No. The Nigerians are our brothers, our sisters, our mothers. You understand? Zimbabweans also, they are sisters, they are our mothers as well. Even Ghanaians also same, and Malawians as well. So right now, if you're chasing all those people, you think what we're gonna benefit, what we're gonna gain, because them they come with their businesses, yeah, and then they're supporting us $8 it's in our own shops. They're supporting us right now. You're expecting us to buy from a black person, from a person who talks Zulu, to buy tomato for 1.5. No, that tuck shop for a black person is too expensive, guys. Leave the foreigners alone. Let them at least debate maybe a home affairs. Let you sign an agreement in a black and white, in the ink and a paper. Ink and a paper, black and white, stamp, it's okay. Mina, since I don't have an aslam and I'm a foreigner and I come from said I'm coming from Dubai, or I'm coming from Nigeria, I'm coming from Ghana, you understand? I'm coming from Zimbabwe, I'm coming from Malawi. Since I don't have a aslam, I don't have a paper, I didn't renew my passport. It's expired in 2020, it's expired in 1980. So please, I agree that I'm gonna take this certain amount every 6 months or every year, because I don't have money to go home. I don't have that 20,000 or that 25,000 to take a flight back home. Don't chase them, guys. Don't chase them, please. Please, I'm begging the parliament not to chase the foreigners. Please, ngicela ukuthi ningazenzi umgabe. South Africa, every nation is allowed in South Africa. We are one. All those people, they've got a blood just like us. What about their children? Their children, they are schooling as well. They're going to school, guys. Please, guys, don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Why? No. Nyala. And sakhuluma noMamlambo Sompisi Somnandi ugawule esizweni olutsha buhlonishwa ndithi camakho ndawo ndawe Absheni Thokozani emakhosini akudede bomnyama kufela ukukhanya ndithi camakho makukhanye kube mhlophe kuthi ba guys please ngiyacela. I'm still begging government, parliament, uqobolwayo Rama, ayurama lo makakhiqiza iRama. Ramaphosa man khiqiza iRama man, uyeka abantwana babantu idle iRama, ufake isinkwa epaloni udle eMzansi uphile kamnandi. Kanti yini nasusuchuku vele yini kanti na Ramaphosa? Hayi man, please ngicela ukuthi iParliament ikhulume, bakhulume babe right, please. Asebelieve ngicela nikhulume nidebate kangcono. Yes, ama-foreigners, there must be a certain amount whereby they're gonna pay something for their passport. They're not renewed, they're expired in 1980, in 1985, you understand? So please, guys, give them a chance. Let them, if they're gonna leave this country, we're gonna suffer, guys. There will be hunger. This place is gonna be called Ethiopia. South Africa is going to be called Ethiopia. And there will be no money anymore once because the foreigners, they are talented, guys. As I was saying in the previous video, you take a Malawian, you ask a Malawian, hey, to strip this engine now, how much do you want? It's gonna tell you, give me 1,000 rand, you're gonna give me bit by bit. But you take a South African here to strip an engine for a South African, how much do you want? There's the South African, you know, the South African, what's gonna say? The South African is gonna say, give me 20,000 to strip the engine. Come on, guys. Leave the foreigners, please. Bawusizo eMzansi. Bayasisiza singabantu bala eSouth Africa. They are hard workers. Foreigners are hard workers, guys. Please, let's debate about this in the parliament section. Please, guys. Siyacela. Yes, siyacela nje hayi kabi Nkosi yami. Siyacela please. Mabangabuyeli emazweni wabo sizolamba kuyoba Ethiopia South Africa la. Kuyobizwa ngokuthiwa Ethiopia South Africa. Abosqueeze mabangana, yes, everyone they must come to an agreement whereby they sign that, okay, since I can't go home, my aslam and my passport expired, I have to go and renew it at home. So there will be a certain amount whereby I'm gonna giving in 6 months time, or in 3 months time, or in 2 weeks time. I don't know, guys, but please debate in the parliament. Leave the foreigners. We are eating everything. Everything is happening just because of foreigners in South Africa. You understand? I-tax cabanga nje isaris izofuna 200%. Sizoyithatha phi thina imali eMzansi? Niyabona ukuthi nisixoshela abantu abasifakela imali eMzansi. Because impuphu manje iyadura, ukudla kukhuphukile, abantwana imali yegrant. Ngiya-understand ukuthi ugovernment ufuna ukugcwalisela imali. But please, guys, I'm a foreigners. They are our brothers, they are our sisters. Don't chase them away. You're making a big, very terrible mistake in our lives. And this South African, this South African, they're gonna change it. They're gonna say it's Ethiopia. They're gonna take this word. They're gonna take this word for South Africa. They're gonna take this word for South Africa and put it in Ethiopia, and then that word for Ethiopia is gonna come here in South Africa. Because right now you want South Africa to be Ethiopians. So we have to suffer hunger. Listen, guys. You understand? Sorry, guys. Ngomsindo behind at the backyard. Otherwise, Thokozani, emakhosini, makudede ubumnyama, kuvele ukukhanya, ndithi camako ndawenda, awuyabusheni Thokozani emakhosini. Makungaxoshwa umuntu eMzansi, please. Amakutukutu nje makayizulele nje ayifunele iy'ntombi, ayifunele abafazi. Abobhuti bethi nibaqhawule, niphuze ama-cold drink, amaphoyisa namasotsha, bathathe nje i-bribe kuphela. Hawu, thathani i-bribe, nibayeke, bayekeleni, hayi Thokozani, camako. Icamaku ndawenda awuyabusheni Thokozani emakhosini. Sakhuluma noMamlami Sompisi Somnandi kalwezizweni lutsha buhlonishwa. Siyanicela, guys, baxoleleni mara nhlanhla mara ke baxoleleni, guys, baney'ngane. Beside ukuthi baney'ngane, we take them as our brothers in South Africa. Siyacela, please. Thokozani, camako.